Saya terima nikah dan kawinnya Viony Julia Paketna binti Hari Paki dengan mas kawinnya yang dibayar tunai.
And I get so tired of people wondering what I'm doing, but I'm waiting for you. And girl, I waste my time and spend it on my wishes, just wishing that you're waiting too. Waiting on my true love. Yes, you know I'm waiting. Waiting on my true love. Oh, you know I'm waiting.